This is how cost recovery works. Cost recovery works to recover $33,000 in overcharges on process valves in the plant environment. Eventually, the savings amounted to $200,000 from correcting this error. Industrial plants, especially those with extensive wet processes, require investments in process controls and piping components, such as you see here: motors, actuators, programmable controllers, and the like. Here we have a ball valve with a trap key device affixed to it. The trap key system is an example of a complexity in pricing that would have to be addressed. Here we have a 40 horsepower motor that would frequently be used in a manufacturing plant. This is an array or a sample plaque with different terminal blocks on it, and these are used throughout process control systems. Some of the purchases can be of very unique items. Here we have a plug and receptacle combination with quick disconnect capabilities so that somebody can have line of sight ability to disconnect a motor independently of a cutoff switch. You can simply pop this apart like this and shut off the machine. This is a fairly sophisticated actuator that came from a manufacturing plant. It's got a cutaway so that you can see the complexity of it. Such components are usually purchased under blanket purchase orders so that you can get the best pricing if you're a manufacturing facility. Accurate pricing may be difficult to assess. Under blanket orders, manufacturers buy ball valves like this by the dozen. The pricing is generally comprised of separate pricing with various discounts applied to the different components that make up an assembly like this. In the case of our review, the project auditor conducted a sample of 5 different blanket order supply houses. The pricing was tested for accuracy. The findings were that 2 of the suppliers had overcharged due to the omission of 1 or more discount factors. The end result from this review was that the suppliers refunded $33,000 immediately and corrected their pricing going forward so that $200,000 was saved on the project from this review. And that's how cost recovery works.